Hello guys, Mini Electro Boss back, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfer. And when I, oh whatever. But the law is you have to subscribe and put the notifications on, because when you put the notifications on, then when we make a new video like this one, you are gonna know that we made a new video. And hit the like. Okay. Now we're gonna be going to Subway Surfer. I like the new update. It's very, very cool. Okay, let's go. Okay. Subway Surfer is just the best game. See, like, under here, it doesn't go. Even though there's a ceiling, the snow keeps falling on us. Very sad. Let's go. Okay. If I get a new high score, it's gonna be very, very good. And I will like that. If I get a new high score, then I'll be surprised. I rarely get a new high score. Even though when I started playing, I got immediately a new high score. So, yeah. Why is there snow on? There's snow on one train and then there's no snow on the other train. That's very weird. Very, very weird. Very. Okay. Okay, so what are some of those? We're gonna go there. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, I'm on top. Oh. I am gonna finish the task. It's not Among Us. Okay. Oh, those trains go much faster. Why do they have blinking lights? Oh, yep, I finished that task. You can see on the top. Oh yes, I just completed thing, so I get oh, whatever. That was crazy. That was crazy. Subway Surfer is a great game. You guys should play it at home. It's good. And it does not glitch. If you have a glitchy phone, still, look it. Santa's following me. That's very bad. That's very bad. Very, very bad. And then I get arrested for being chased by Santa. Whoa, thinking there. You know, what I don't like is there's snow over here, and then there's not snow in there, but the snow keeps going. If you guys get me, comment. If you guys know what I'm saying, comment down below, okay? Very not likely that you get me, because no one gets me. I do. I'm gonna save myself because I just lost saving myself. See what I mean? Look it, the snow comes in. Double, double, double. I'm actually a really good player when I'm not talking. And I'm like... But, yes. Why are there... Like, there's not snow on the front of those, but there's snow on the front of the other ones. But that's creepy. I bet I could get all of these. Top run. Wait, I'm top run. I'm top run. Yay. I don't want to be top. Actually, I do want to be top run. I'm top run. I'm a good boy. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. I'm not. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, I got a surfboard. I don't have the best skins ever, but home. Okay, so I'm gonna go me. Oh, dude, I want that skin. I want that skin. Oh my gosh, those are a lot of new skins. Whoa! Not even Christmas anymore. I don't want to buy that. $3. That's a waste of time. That's just a waste. Wait, what did I come here for? Yeah, nothing, whatever. Okay, now I'm going to... But whatever, I'm going to... Why is there snow and then presents in the snow? That's weird. Santa give presents to the train, bro? I think they did. They did. How am I not bouncing if there's stuff there? There's no snow. There's snow. There's no snow on these trains. And then there's no snow on that train. They're the exact same trains. There's no snow on that train. But then there's snow. Oh. I bet I could get all of these. If I don't, then I'm out. Oh my gosh. You guys just saw that, right? You just saw that. You just saw that. I just missed a couple, like 3, 4. You guys saw that? Then you guys have to subscribe. Well, anyways, you're gonna subscribe. And put the notifications on. And put the like button. No, push the like button. I don't have to follow no coins. I just get them. See, why is there snow coming down if there's a thing over us? I just don't get that logic. It isn't logic. I can't find the word. Whatever. I got all of those coins. That's good. Oh! I thought that was a train. I seriously thought that was a train. Oh! No! I bet this is a high score. Whoever got this high score is a boss. And I'm a boss. Yes! Oh! Bro. knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I just knew it. I got my new high score. Let's go. Let's go, bro. I bet Electro Box Blue is not going to be able to beat this high score. If he does, then I'm wrong. Yes, a key. Thank you. No. No. Okay. Now, let's see. Should I play another round of Subway Surfer? I think I got my high score. Wait a second. Okay, I am not gonna play another round. I got my new high score. Maybe next time I'll get another new high score. Bye.